Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to create a screenshot within Unreal Engine, and we're going to be setting it so that we can actually take a screenshot of our character while it's detached. So for example, if I run out here and I have ragdoll on, but I can go ahead and detach from my character midair, set up a simple camera, and take a high resolution screenshot. Alright guys, let's get started. First thing that we're going to want to do is go to our content drawer, and we're going to be using the default third person character. So if we type BP underscore third person character, we can open this up and you'll be on your viewport to start off with. If you go to your event graph, I already have some mechanics in here for my game, but we're going to go and right click somewhere in the event graph and search up key, and we're just going to use the number 2 key. What this is going to do is whenever we press 2 on our keyboard, we want it to set game paused, and we want to click this to true. So now we're able to pause the game in our level just by hitting a key, so we can take some action shots. So now what we want to do is, if we go up here to quickly add to project, we can go down to cinematics and sign camera actor, and this will spawn a camera in our world. All right, and if I right click this and hit pilot camera, it gives me manual control of the actor. So that's pretty cool. And if I go up to the left here and hit eject, now that camera is positioned in the world. So let's go and set up our first action shot. So if I go ahead and run on here and I press 2, and then if I press F8 on my keyboard, now I can detach from my player, and then my camera's up here. If I right click, or if I need to find it, say it's invisible, I can search up sign camera actor up here in the top right in our outliner. And then we can right click this and hit pilot. Now we can position our camera a little bit better for a nice action shot. Great. Now, if you hit this little apostrophe, I don't know what it is. It's above the tab key on your keyboard to the left. And if I hit this, it'll open the console, or I can type it down here. And we're going to type high res shot, just like this, and then space 2. And if I hit enter, it'll say high resolution screenshot saved as, and I can click this to open it up. Or if you need to find it, we can save our project. And let's go ahead and exit out of here. And if I open back Unreal Engine, now that we're in our Unreal, we can right click our project and we can do show and explore. And if we go under saved and screenshots, Windows Editor, there's our screenshots. So we can double click this to open it up, and there's our action shot. And it's all in high res, so that's the benefit of using this, and we can detach from our character. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace.